Let's play some Minecraft on the PS3.
The following message issued a monthly test. Guys, don't worry. This is only a test to see if the cables are working properly. Okay. You may go return to your programs.
What on earth? The emergency alert system just had to interrupt in the middle of my favorite game. That's still cool. That's alright. I'm going to thank the man who's responsible because now if there's a real emergency we'll all know about it and can get to a safe place.
Macusoper, I'm glad you know what that was about. And you need to keep your chin up and keep smiling like a friend. It really pleases me when you're always explaining that you understand it.
Diesel, please, do you have time to drive me right now? I am thankful right now.
Young man. What the reason you are doing here and why do you have flowers in a vase?
Oh, fix the frown up and don't pop a vessel. This is what you get for keeping us safe when I was playing my game of Minecraft on the PlayStation 3. So I'm going to thank you fast right now. Now, since you're busy, you should have keep making emergency alert system news and I'll playing my video games ever and again after them. Enjoy the flowers, you friend.
You friend? How care you show the emergency alarm system reporter?
Because I'm so super glad that he's keeping me safe even when playing my game of Minecraft. That's why I thanked him the best.
Such nice care. No kidding, young man, you are good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy for life. Please go upstairs, you super kid.